Now let us solve some important problems in which we are going to make it completely comfortable with the topic. So let me solve a few questions for you guys. The first question is as follows. Consider a pipeline system with 6 stages with stage latencies here is given 20, 10, 30, 20, 10, 30, 25, 40, 15, 40, 50. Suppose when it is compared with equivalent non-pipeline system, speed up is equal to, what is the speed up? The question is, we have a 6 segmented pipeline with the stage latencies 20, 10, 30, 25, 40, 50. Okay. Now, when we compare it with the corresponding non-pipeline system, what is the speed up? Okay. Here, there is one additional detail given, that is, the intermediate registers has the latencies as the latencies 5 nanoseconds each. 5 nanoseconds each. Now we need to calculate the speed up. Simple. Just in a pipeline, we need to find out a TP. Simple. What is a TP? TP is equal to 30. Max stage delay is the TP of the pipeline. So TP is equal to max stage delay plus max register delay. Okay. Here TP is equal to max stage delay is equal to 30 nanoseconds plus max register delay is equal to 5 nanoseconds. That is equal to 35. TP is equal to 35, right? Then now, in a non-pipeline system, the non-pipeline system time is equal to, you know that non-pipeline system is a mixture of all the stages of a pipeline system. You add all these things. That is 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 25, 85, 85 plus 40 is equal to 125, 125 plus 15 is equal to 140. Non-pipeline system time is equal to 140. Okay, this is the non-pipeline system. And speed up is equal to Tn divided by Tp, in which Tn is equal to 140, Tp is equal to 35. Once again, non-pipeline system is going to mix all the latencies of all the segments of the pipeline. Because when a non-pipeline system is implemented, it is going to club all the segments of a pipeline system. 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 25 is equal to 85, 85 plus 40 is equal to 125, 125 plus 15 is equal to 140. This is non-pipeline system. But when it comes to the pipeline system, TP will be equal to max stage delay plus max register delay. So you can clearly see that max stage delay is equal to 30 and the register delay is equal to 5 nanoseconds each. So the pipeline system TP is equal to 35 nanoseconds. So the speed up is equal to 140 divided by 35 is equal to 4. Speed up in the system will be equal to 4.